Digital Shift Promotion Honest Review, watch before using. Welcome to this honest review of Digital Shift Promotion. Before we dive in, you'll find links to the product in the description below. Now let's get straight to it. Digital Shift Promotion is a powerful tool designed for businesses and marketers looking to elevate their online presence and drive more traffic. This platform offers several key features, including automated social media posting, targeted email campaigns, and detailed analytics that help you track performance in real time. What sets it apart is its ease of use and intuitive interface, making it accessible even for beginners. Created for digital marketers, small business owners, and content creators, Digital Shift Promotion allows you to efficiently manage all your online marketing activities in one place. If you've ever struggled to stay on top of your campaigns, this tool provides an all-in-one solution to streamline your workflow and save time. One standout feature is the AI-powered content optimization that ensures your posts and emails are reaching the right audience. It also offers robust scheduling options, so you can plan your content in advance and set it to go live at the optimal times. In terms of pricing, Digital Shift Promotion is quite competitive compared to other marketing platforms in the market, providing great value for the range of features it offers. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use platform to help boost your digital marketing efforts, Digital Shift Promotion is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this one. And please hit the like button to support the channel and help others find useful information. Thanks for watching.